today's the third day.
Tomorrow then we finish Matplotlib library. Then all of next week we start seeing the notes here. I want to reserve a lot of time for things that we haven't really covered. Okay.
Okay. Now that we have talked about it, we are now saying when we talk of NumPy, we call them arrays. And an array by definition is a homogeneous data structure. We put it. I'm saying array 1 is equal to np dot array.
Something like 10 variables, right? Why is that nice? When people have personal computers, right? If you Google a computer called a server, the cheapest standard
I'm actually, no, I'm supposed to be busy. Trying to yeah, because now you have to me.
Wait, are you a content creator?
So I'm basically almost done with chapter 1. Yeah, we have review questions, chapter summary. These are really good notes. I love that my lecturer does this for us because the study guide structure is actually not good for this year. It's really not good. There are no subheadings. It's like everything is in one paragraph, and it can become tedious to go through, especially if you have to read through it first to understand what's happening, and then you have to write your notes. But you can see here he wrote some stuff in point form. He put subheadings, he put definitions, and stuff like that, examples as well. So this is a better structure, better way. And if I have notes like this, then this is really great. I might as well just print this out, but it's just that I don't do well with printing notes out. It's kind of like it's not in my head, but after I write it down, right, if I write it down first, then it's easier kind of, because I can remember when I wrote it down, and I remember what the information was and stuff like that. So I feel like it contributes to retaining information as well, but I'm not saying that you have to write notes down. Other people are able to retain information just by reading a piece of paper, even if they didn't write from it. So yeah, that's basically it. Once I'm done with this chapter, that means that I can go to information systems, but I'll check if I have slides on the website. Let me quickly check and log in. I swear, if I don't, I think I have slides. Yeah, there are slides somewhere. If there are slides, then it's gonna make it much easier because that text, the study guide is just too much.